looking back on life, giving advice to a mate, or trying to see the silver lining? British English has some lovely idioms for moments of reflection, wisdom, and encouragement. Welcome back to your daily cup of English. I am Jimmy, and this is the final episode, lesson 20 of our British Idioms speaking course. Today, we're getting thoughtful with 5 idioms that help you reflect, give advice, or simply make peace with life's ups and downs. I'll break down the meanings of each of the idioms we'll be learning today, and we'll explore in a deeper natural conversation and practice speaking together one more last time. You've come this far. Every cloud really does have a silver lining. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And if you've followed this whole series, thank you. You've smashed it. Now, I'm going to tell you the 5 idioms that we're going to be working with today and their meanings. Idiom number 1, the writings on the wall, meaning a clear sign that something bad is about to happen. Idiom number 2, a blessing in disguise, something that seems bad at first but turns out well. And idiom number 3, better late than never. And the meaning, it's good that something happened even if delayed. Idiom number 4, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Meaning, don't rely completely on one thing. And your last idiom, idiom number 5, every cloud has a silver lining. Meaning there's something good in every bad situation. Now, on to the speaking practice part. Let me tell you how it works. Part 1, listen only. You will listen to a full conversation using all 5 idioms. Listen to the way it's pronounced, listen to the intonation, listen to the mood, the way it's said. This one's got some heart. Part 2, it's your turn to speak. One of the speaker's lines, one side of the conversation, will be muted and the words will come up on the screen. I want you to read them out aloud. So it's like you and I are having a conversation. So you read your part with feelings and a reflective tone. In part 3, we swap roles. You say what I said and I say what you said, and keeping the same style and the same way. Okay? Now, are you ready for the conversation? Here we go. So it's reflections and advice idioms. Imagine we are just 2 friends walking home after a long day, talking about life's changes. Here we go. So, you really quit your job?
Yeah. I mean, the writing's been on the wall for months. I just didn't want to admit it.
You've been miserable there, though. Might be a blessing in disguise.
That's what I'm hoping. Honestly, I should have done it ages ago.
Still, better late than never. At least now you can breathe.
Exactly. I've started applying to smaller firms, trying a few different things. Not putting all my eggs in one basket this time.
Smart move. Diversifying. Isn't just for finances, you know.
Too right. And I know it's scary now, but I keep telling myself, Every cloud has a silver lining.
That's the spirit. You'll land somewhere way better. Probably somewhere with a decent coffee for once.
That's the dream. No more instant coffee and microwave pasta.
New chapters, yeah?
To new chapters.
So, you really quit your job? You've been miserable there, though. Might be a blessing in disguise. Still, better late than never. At least now you can breathe. Smart move. Diversifying. Isn't just for finances, you know. That's the spirit. You'll land somewhere way better. Probably somewhere with a decent coffee for once. New chapters, yeah? Yeah. I mean, the writing's been on the wall for months. I just didn't want to admit it. That's what I'm hoping, honestly. I should have done it ages ago. Exactly. I've started applying for smaller firms, trying a few different things, not putting all my eggs in one basket this time. Too right. And I know it's scary now, but I keep telling myself every cloud has a silver lining. That's a dream. No more instant coffee and microwave pasta. To new chapters. And just like that, you've completed the full 20-lesson British Idioms speaking course. These final idioms are perfect for advice, personal chats, and reflecting on life's big moments. The final challenge for you, leave a comment using one of these idioms. What was a blessing in disguise for you this year? Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because even though this series is complete, we've got more exciting lessons and new courses coming soon. Actually, they're coming tomorrow. And remember, learning takes time, but you're smashing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!